Um, hey guys, it's Jumpy Z 53. Sorry, 63. Um, and I came up with a guaranteed way to get you donations on your Twitch channel. Guaranteed, um, and you only need two things. So the first thing that you need, obviously, is a Twitch.tv account, and the only other thing that you need is your mother's credit card. In my case, it was really easy to get my mother's credit card because I'm still living with my mother, um, and she's out for drinks right now um, uh, with Uncle Terry, who's not really my uncle, but I refuse to call that son of a bitch um, new dad like he wants me to, because he's not my new dad, and he's not my dad. My dad is, um,